and this is where I want to go. This is a bone-in flank. So by keeping the bones in, it cooks on the bone, and obviously you've got the cartilage and the tendons and the stuff there, keeping that in, the collagen. This has got a ton of collagen in it, ton of good fat. You can see it's dry aged, it's beautiful. This is just going to cook until it melts. And all that's doing by scoring it is just those bits will then render out the fat easier and crisp up. So render out the fat will start to fall out. We need that for it to crisp up a little bit. We don't want it to completely lose all of its fat by overcooking it. But we need that fat to sort of crisp up. So that's just at its best, and scoring that will just help that. People are frightened of salt as well, and
drives me nuts.
Salt is so good for you. Salt was demonised, low salt this, low salt that, but our bodies really need salt. It's just getting the salt balance right.
I think if somebody's eating a traditional English diet, as in today's traditional English diet, which is processed food, about 60% of food consumed is processed food, they're probably getting too much salt. But when you start cooking properly, your way of cooking, the primal way of cooking, the healthy way of cooking, we have to add more salt. We just have to, because, like you say, we need it.
Yeah, if you're not getting it from like the processed food, if you're adding it on top of that, then it's too much salt. But just cooking it like this, people go, oh, that's a lot of salt. And I go, well, if that's all the salt you're getting, then that's fine. But if you're eating like, a diet full of salt in processed foods, then that could well be too much salt for you, but that's perfect for me. So what we're going to do with this is just hang this up, make sure all the edges are covered. Really simple. You don't need necessarily a big barbecue like we've got today. You could do this on any barbecue with a lid. And
you would, in other words, effectively slow cook it.
Yeah. So I'm going to go the fat side down. There we go, just over that heat. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. So probably about 160 C, something like that. And that will warm up there, over there. And then, I mean, you can see already it's just going to start dripping fat as that warms up. That is a beautiful way of cooking.
And how long will that take, you think?
That'll be there all day. Just have that ticking over on the background, so it's slow cooking, that collagen's breaking down, and that's just going to be delicious later on. People think when they barbecue that it all has to be ready now. Make it a journey, make a barbecue a day event where you can just really enjoy yourself, enjoy your time with your friends and your family, and it's always nice to have a bit just ticking over and then some quick food that's ready.
Love it.
So it's just reading it. I can hear, so barbecuing, especially in this way, is all about using your senses. So I can smell that starting to caramelise. I can hear the sizzle. I can see the fat dripping down. So I know that that's pushing it a little bit temperature-wise. But I just wanted to build up a bit of heat to get it going first. Bit of meat.
Oh, yeah.
See, just to crisp up that fat. And then what I'm going to do, once that's crispy, I'm just going to slow it right down. Take it right down, cook it over here somewhere, cook it for a lot of hours.
And will you slow it down now, or will you flip it and do the same the other side?
I'll flip it and get a bit of heat on the other side, get some of this fat here crisped up, and then just cook it over, cook it really slow, slow it right down.
So it's sort of going in a lot easier now. Your patience has been amazing with that.
There's a special sort of patience that comes with barbecue, and I call it the Zen of barbecue. You can't hurry it, you've got to let it slow. People are like, oh, how can I hurry it along? How can I do that? You can't. You just have to slow it down.
Because that has been, what, 9 o'clock did we start with that? 6, almost 9 hours? Wow. That's delicious, man. Oh, gorgeous. What a great way to finish today, Marcus. And I'm not normally very patient at all. In fact, no patience.
The good thing about barbecue is it makes you patient. You can't hurry it, so you have to go at its speed. So hopefully you've slowed down a little bit today.
I have completely. In fact, I'm wearing my heart rate variability monitor, and I think
I love it. You've got little fat drips down here.
I really don't care. And my heart rate variability monitor, when I look later, will show me I've been relaxed today.
Good.
And I will. And
That's how barbecue should be. It should be a lovely, delicious, relaxing time, no stress added.
Yeah.
And I love it.
And waiting for that was well worth it.
Yeah.
Oh.